So if you just watched the previous video, I've been laying this floor in, changing these doors here from varnish to that there, bit of work, bit of priming, bit of painting. Anyway, now I'll be getting a new door, but my nemesis, because I've laid this flooring, has become this door. And what's been happening is single glazed door, so I was getting the water. The whole door was soaking with the water, and the water was dripping all the way down, and it would be on the new floor. Obviously I had it covered, it was getting soaked up. The first thing I'd done is I put that polythene stuff that you can buy online round it. That's right round the door. That has worked. I mean, I can't see any moisture in there at all. So that's worked. But the next problem I had is this profile here that you see, minus the glass, so it was the same profile of the timber, was on here at the bottom here. Right? So all that profile was there, so the wood would have been thinner, and I think it was just so cold, the door. It was dripping, so I had it all bunged with kitchen roll and whatever. So I took it upon myself, I put a little 10mm, don't know if you can see that. I put a 10mm frame round it, and I screwed all that on. Then I ring shanked some 6mm ply onto that, and then you can see some holes here where I think they were either 6 or 8mm bit, and I pumped that baby full of expanding foam. If in doubt, foam. Anyway, that's created an insulation board in effect now. I filled that cavity, so I'm going to bead that up. I'm going to bead the outside of it, which will make it look like it's meant to be like that, and I'll wax some of the old primer on, and I'm using Dulux water-based gloss, so that's what's on the door at the moment. That's a water-based gloss. That looks alright. Look, water-based gloss never going to be as good as the oil gloss, but I mean, that door's looking fine to me with water-based gloss. It's just the son of a gun to work with. You've got to know what you're doing, and don't go back over it or it'll turn the paint. So yeah, this is me trying to eliminate moisture on an old twisted wooden single pane door.